It is officially sundress season here in Atlanta and I'm here for it. I love me a good sundress, y'all. Like, I'm feeling super cute, super feminine. I just love this vibe.
I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm trying to get this shit poppin' like, woo. Big moves. My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like, woo. Who said they looking for me?
Today I want to show you how I installed this glueless wig from Klaiyi hair. I want to thank them for sponsoring today's wig install for y'all. So this is one of their Bye Bye Knots glueless closure wigs. It has a 7 by 5 inch HD lace closure, and this is their Yaki straight texture. They have recently upgraded this wig to have these kinky edges on it, and I went ahead and cut the edges a bit, and I tied my hair down, and I absolutely am loving this vibe. It is a very natural look, and as I mentioned, it is completely glueless, so I am obsessed with this wig. It is definitely a throw on and go type of wig. You can rock this wig in a middle and a side parting, style her half up, half down. It has endless styling options, and it is very secure on my head. Like, this baby is not going anywhere. So if you've been on the hunt for a bomb glueless wig that has the more natural kinky edges on it, you definitely don't want to miss this video. Keep watching to find out all the details on this wig, as well as how I styled and installed her today.
Usually I don't post. Usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. Time to pull the drop tops out. Summer nights, it's a vibe, yeah. We've been keeping it in the house. Netflix and chillin', I GDM'in', yeah. Didn't wanna share my love till I found someone I'm sure of. Young and untamed, I've been out of range, keeping it low. But I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Wow, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. You can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared. Instead of love out loud, since we ain't going nowhere. So tonight, usually I don't post, but I want the world to know. I'm a good catch, but I never let them catch me. No, I never let them claim me. Wild thing try to tame me, but you got my mood on sunshine. Let's take a trip, souls on big smile. Let's hit this lake, stars are in line. I'm posted, lay with me in the moonlight. I wanna be bold with it. Don't care who we told about it. Well, baby, got a hold on it. Let love unfold tonight. They'll be calling us gold. No lies, so fair with it. We can let them stare at it. Now I'm prepared.
As you can see, you can easily rock this wig in a side parting as well. You can rock her in a right parting, left parting, middle parting, whatever you want to do, y'all. It is very versatile and she is completely glueless and not going anywhere, y'all. Let me know if you prefer this unit in a middle or a side parting. I chose to style her in a middle parting for today, but y'all can let me know which one you prefer. So here is the final look, y'all. It was very easy to throw this wig on. I did mess with the baby hairs just a little bit because I wanted them to be shorter and to kind of just blend into my hairline. I feel like it makes the wig look more natural, more carefree. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Klaiyi Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. By the way, if you have not watched my latest video, I posted a video on my top 5 favorite foundations of all time, so be sure to go check that out because I'm wearing one of them in today's video.